Can you test COVID positive after getting vaccinated? World Health Organization mentions on its website that the vaccine would not cause a positive test result for PCR or antigen test. This is because the test check for active disease and not whether an individual is immune or not, it states. In the case of antibody test, however, it may be possible to test positive. The serology test measures a person's COVID-19 immunity. Since the vaccine prompts an immune response, so some antibody test might show the result as positive, mentions the International Public Health Agency. Can you get infected after getting COVID vaccine? Medical experts have termed such instances breakthrough cases whereby a fully vaccinated person gets the disease they are vaccinated for. Center for Disease Control and Prevention, which is currently researching the effectiveness of the COVID-19 vaccine, says there are multiple factors that affect how a vaccine works in real-world conditions. These include host factors such as people not included in clinical trials who may respond differently to the vaccine, virus factors such as variants, programmatic factors such as following dosing schedules or storing and handling vaccines properly. Besides, no vaccine in the world has been deemed disease-proof. Dr. Rajesh Gupta, Additional Director, Pulmonology and Critical Care, Fortis Hospital, Noida, tells IndianExpress.com. He says immunity kicking in depends on a number of things. Remember that no vaccine allows for 100% immunity. There is something called the window period, which is the time between when the vaccine is given and when it comes into effect and immunity kicks in. During the window period, you might get infected. In the case of coronavirus, the window period is about 2 weeks after getting the second dose of the vaccine, said the doctor. What you also need to remember is that all vaccines do not cover all the strains, and new strains may keep appearing. Therefore, there might be a small percentage of people who get infected, but they will have the mild or moderate form of the disease. Dr. Gupta also cautioned that people should not stop taking precautions even after being vaccinated. The virus is affecting those people who think that just because they have been vaccinated, they do not need to follow COVID precautions like hand hygiene, sanitation, and social distancing. So it is important that it is still followed even after getting vaccinated.